So if you made a change to anything, such as the calibration, or you added a line or edited the surface, you want to republish the design to version it to the next version. So to do that, you make your edit, and then you're going to go to the Works Manager, Design Manager. And from here, what you're going to be able to do is change the model, add stakeout points, update the design map, make any changes, additions if you need to. Any of the objects that are already there, you don't have, as long as you didn't remove them, you won't have to do anything. If you added a line, you would want to make sure you add that line, to your project and to your design. So then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit publish, and I'm going to publish this data back out to Works Manager, and it'll take just a few seconds to do this. It'll tell you that the design was successfully published. So if we go back to Works Manager here, and we'll go into bring our Works Manager here over, and you'll see that now the design is still there, but it's version 3 now, and it was when we last updated it, which was at 11:38. So in this case, I had made a couple changes to the project, so it versioned the design, which is why we're on version 3. So I did that without the video. So now I have that, where I would go into my Works Manager site, and I would be able to tell. In this case, I haven't reported in to SiteWorks, but it would show up as yellow, showing that I don't have the right design, and I would have to notify my field guide to load in version 3. But that's how you would go and make any changes, by going to the Design Manager.